Think fat loss means hours at the gym? Wrong. Today, I'm revealing 3 fat-burning secrets doctors never tell you, and none of them involve cardio, gym memberships, or starving yourselves. These are the exact methods people are using to burn stubborn belly fat in their sleep, and yes, one involves a special ingredient in this bottle right here. Stay with me. Your body burns more fat at rest when your blood sugar stays stable. Spikes in insulin equals fat storage. Control it equals fat burned. That's why timing your meals, especially avoiding carbs after 8 p.m., matters more than how much you exercise. Most people are chronically dehydrated. Drinking cold water right after waking up can jumpstart your metabolism by up to 30%. It's simple. It's free. And it works. This is Live Pure, a natural fat-burning support formula that's helping people shed pounds without hitting the gym. It's packed with metabolism-boosting ingredients like berberine, cinnamon, and bitter melon, all proven to support fat loss by regulating insulin and burning fat for energy. And it works even while you sleep. Just imagine, better sleep, more energy, and a slimmer waistline without lifting a dumbbell. Backhand index pointing right. I've dropped the link for Live Pure below. Try it, and let your body do the work for once. So, whether you're just starting your fat loss journey or looking for that extra edge, remember, no product is a magic fix. But the right supplement, when paired with proper diet and exercise, can make a real difference. Always do your research, listen to your body, and choose what's right for you. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've tried any of these products. I'd love to hear your experience. And remember, your transformation starts the moment you take action. Let's do this, together.